So gents, welcome back to another video of rebuilding the MK1. So yeah, in today's video we went to fix the harness. As you also in the previous video we got the engine and the gearbox. Today's video we got the harness. So yeah, I'm here with Mr. Times here. We just got the harness. Here's a chair, the back MP9 harness. So yeah, we're getting everything. The golf is coming together. We just showed now computer box, and then we'll be able to make the car start. So yeah, stay tuned for that, chance. Don't know where am I gonna set the camera. Where? Must put it on that thing. So here gents, we are just laying the harness, pushing the harness to the front. All the wiring that needs to go into the engine, we're pushing it to the front. I did explain it in the video, but I like to play music while we work, to see. And it is gonna copyright the channel. So yeah, I'm just explaining now, pushing the wiring through to the front of the engine. So yeah, all Ty is doing now is he's busy arranging the wiring so it can go under the dash. And yeah, tucking it in nicely so you can't see it. Yeah, that's about it. Just making it look neat. Yeah gents, we just finished laid the harness. As you can see, we put everything in its appropriate place. So yeah, what needs to come in the engine is in the engine. What needs to come inside the car is inside the car, as you can see there. Then the back wiring runs through there under the carpet into the back. So yeah, Ty is busy with the shock mountings now. Gonna install the shock mountings. Then we're gonna move on to bringing the engine and the gearbox to the front. Difficult task, but yeah, we'll manage. And just finished installing the engine mountings, not the engine mountings, shock mountings. Now we're gonna move on to the most difficult task of today, bringing the engine here and the gearbox. Okay, the gearbox is not so heavy. But that engine, yeah, that engine. We're only two men. But I guess you can't complain, eh, Peter? You must just do it. Yeah, now change engine tape. Are you ready? There is no other way. Well, it's 10. Yo. Oh yeah. So here now all we're doing is we're putting the mounting on the gearbox, and then we're gonna move on to the mounting that comes onto the engine. We're just shorting the front and back mounting, but we have the one that go on the side and on the gearbox. So that is what we're busy putting on now, and then we're gonna prepare to put the engine inside the car, so inside the engine bay. So yeah, stay tuned with us, gents. It's an interesting process this, but yeah, difficult one too, but we're managing. Nothing is impossible if you put your mind to it. Gents, as you can see, we take the front of the car up and try slide the engine underneath the car. So yeah, stick with us, gents. Where you put it as two glass? Oh no. You must place your car as speaker. Oh my God. What the fuck? Maybe more to that side. What is this? I don't know if he. I don't know if he. Move more to that side. Yes. Tell it more to your side. Huh? Tell me more inside. Is there gonna be space?
Yeah.
Check it down. But what more gonna stay? I wanna go in the engine.
Cooling.
Oh, I feel like you have mounting your grip.
No, it's not okay.
Oh. Yo. Net yet anything is possible.
Dan de check.
Just. But isn't it gonna be low enough?
Huh?
Won't it be low enough?
If you take a bird up.
Yeah. But then you must slide the gearbox under the wall first.
You're not allowed the gearbox on with that's sliding.
Yeah, the gearbox is not heavy.
Yeah, check the video again. Let me take the things out.
Put a boogie in. Hmm? Put a boogie. Yeah, I wanna check down first.
Too high. It's high enough.
But then the book is not gonna go in. Move the food there. See, there's gonna be space for the book. Just keep it.
Okay, yeah. You can see. Yeah.
So,
I'm gonna take it out completely, ne?
what is it?
All of it.
Yeah. Check if you can pull it back out of it. More.
More. Down.
What are you doing? Must I check more?
Huh? Yeah.
You can't push so on.
Oh, yeah.
Watch.
Huh? What?
Be careful. Move things down.
Shake down.
Okay.
Wait.
What?
Shake it up.
The check is 30.
Huh?
30. Okay, maybe it's because I'm checking the leather going big.
Don't be too hard. Shake down.
Down.
Shake down.
Wait. The weight of this side is pushing the jack left.
What?
When I'm taking down. So just watch there. You see? Just hold it like it, yeah. Yo.
Still need a J can do.
Fuck, just by little. Why is the car standing like this? Dead brake.
Fine. I'm loving it and it's gonna check on the food.
And sick.
Just sit like this or stay in a look. Just check for corrupt on that. So you loved him. I just lied him under.
No fucking heavy is this thing, bruh. Yo.
Come on.
Say come on like it's so easy. Where I'm gonna find.
Well, you know what? Tilt it to that side.
So
Yeah.
this is in the
How the fuck is it here?
because the end of this missing.
Move. Keep it off.
Leave it.
Muna yapi to left. Parang yapi to left in mode the jig. 1, 2, 3.
Shit.
Sliding. Fuck.
Some
Huh?
Some
It's too hard.
not flush.
Put it so.
Can't slide in and you screw it in there.
How did it like? But it did put the rest.
There is the screw.
Needs to go down more. Go to the side.
Like it.
Fully there, under. Side. Half off.
Not off, but screw it loose.
I just loved it.
It's not gonna go. If I left it, it's gonna come out. You see?
Right there, right there. Yeah. I can check when it goes now.
Huh?
I can see when it goes now.
Oh.
I'm gonna check me.
Yeah.
That way then you push to this way.
Forward.
Yeah.
Away.
Just keep it.
Make fast.
Fucking yes, I'm not gonna check this now.
A lot more.
Wait, look. No, I like that it go that way, but I must be forward again. Leave it like that. Leave it.
Out over.
Huh?
Out.
Wait, not again. Just keep it slow. Down, but
So.
I need something to eat. Not the door. Down. Okay.
So.
Oh, gents. Stuff out here. Coming.
Leave it.
I'm holding it in my leg.
Leave it.
that's efforts, gents. We need you all to like, comment, and subscribe. It's only fair. For what you say there,
It's only fair.
we're putting the gearbox. Unscrew this in first. Screw the flywheel now first. What size is it?
Yeah.
Where is it so? Easy that side. You only put down how much do you put down?
Only the two.
Only the two.
Don't worry about the flywheel, like you also keep putting it in most of it in a clutch and treasure. Try to get it out now. This one,
Yes.
check what size, I think it's 17. 19. Check it, 19 thing it look like a wheel spinner. 18 there.
Oh.
Use anything, what is wrong with anything?
I'm making a turn. Both sides 90.
It's not as good. The needle stays out all the shit.
That is the one that came with the engine, eh?
Yes, yeah. Thank you.
No one want to change it.
I need more.
Oh. To screw the gearbox on.
I'm just putting hammers on.
Yes.
Yeah, gents. Engine and gearbox in. All we need to do is get the steel, the back one or the front one, the steel piece. Both.
There's still pieces of
We have the rubbers for those ones, for those mountings. Just need the mounting itself for the front here and at the back. So yeah, as you can see, we connected what we could with the harness. We organized it, man. Yeah, as you can see. So yeah, things are coming together, gents. Things are coming together. Progress is being made. I say it every video because you can see progress is being made, gents. What do you have to say, Tay?
thank you guys for all of you that have been subscribing and following us and supporting us, guys. We appreciate everything. So yeah, guys, as you all can see, man, we are doing everything a little, but you can see the progress.
So yeah, gents, if you'll enjoy today's video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe down below. We'll catch you gents in the next one. Danko.